Wow. Look at this juice. Look at this juice. Pretty. Oh, yes. Wow, look at my cherry tree. I'm going to pick cherry and I'm going to make some juice. Yeah, look at cherry. Wow, look how much cherry I just picked from my tree. Yes, so I'm going to make some cherry juice. I don't know what I'm going to combine it with yet, but stay tuned. Wow. Hey guys, welcome back to Rinty's Plate. Thank you all for joining with me. I always say that. Today I'm going to make cherry juice. You saw me earlier picking my cherry from my tree. It's not much, but I'm going to make juice with it. And I'm going to make a straight juice. When I'm saying straight juice, no sugar added. Okay? Just a piece of ginger and a lemon. Okay? So I'm going to wash these things and come back. I'm just coming from the tree, so I'm just going to give it a good wash. And take out all these things from it. Okay. Take off all these remain. Okay, I'm just gonna put everything in the blender one time, okay? I used to blend the ginger first. So I'm just gonna put everything there. Okay, and guess what? I'm going to peel the lemon. I just have one. Now take off all these things, it will make it sour. And let me tell you, my cherry, they are very sweet. Very, very sweet. Okay, I'm going to put everything in the blender here. And I'm going to put my cherry. Okay, I'm just adding some water to it. Yes, okay. Done. Okay, my cherry juice, my lemon. Wow, wow, look at this juice. Look at this juice. Pretty. I'm squeezing out every bit from it. You see it? This is real cherry juice from my backyard. I love talk about my backyard because it's so fruitful. Yeah, everything I can get from my backyard. and make a little thing. But they say you eat what you grow, right? Okay. Okay. I have my glass here with some ice. Oh, yes. Here we go. Okay, guys, I'm gonna get a taste. Yes, this is my backyard cherry and ginger with a lemon. Okay, I'm gonna taste. I'm telling you, it's very refreshing and very nice. Very refreshing and nice. Yes, remember, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a little comments down below. Okay, thank you all for watching. Have yourself a blessed day or night. Bye-bye from now. Remember to try this if you have cherry. Remember, try it. You can juice it and you can blend it. Very tasteful and nice. Refreshing. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.